Good morning. Today I am going to discuss brain and spinal cord. Nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The brain is the largest part of the nervous system. It has gyri, elevation and depression on its surface. The elevations are known as gyrus or gyri, and depressions are known as sulcus or sulci. It is said the person who has more gyri and sulci he or she is more intelligent. It is divided into two lobes by a fissure, and this fissure is not complete, so it does not separate them altogether. They are still attached with a structure known as corpus callosum. So fibers from the right side go to the left side and make connection, and fibers from the left side come to the right side and make connection. So though right and left are connected with each other, they are not totally separate. 12 cranial nerves come out from the base of the cerebrum, and they have different functions like vision, auditory, hearing, smell, and others. 12 pairs. It is divided into five lobes. Four lobes are visible. One fifth lobe is not visible. The four lobes are given their names according to the bone which is overlying them. Frontal lobe, it is below the frontal bone. Parietal lobe, it is below the parietal lobe. On the back side, it is occipital lobe. It is behind the occipital bone, and on the side it is temporal bone behind the ear. So this is known as it is lying behind the temporal bone. There are five lobes, four are visible and one is invisible. These cranial nerves which arise from the base of the brain, some of them are sensory, some are motor, and some are mixed. Each part of the brain, rather each cell of the lobe, try to make its connection with all other parts of the body. So the fibers arise from different parts of the area and they come in the center and they pass out. So they are going out to make connection so they can receive the sensory information and then can send the necessary orders. So when they all fibers converge in the center, and from the center they come out, and this stem like structure is there from one lobe. So one stem comes from the one lobe and one from the left lobe. This is from the right, this is from the left. When they come here, little bit, they cross. The fiber from the right go to the left, and fiber from the left cross to the right side. So the fibers from the right are now controlling the left side of the body, and fiber from the left side of the body are now controlling the right side of the body. Then they continue down, but they taper a little bit and they form a structure known as medulla oblongata. These three structures combinedly known as brainstem. They have a very vital role. They control almost all of our vital signs like blood pressure, respiration, pulse, and other things. They are the one who are responsible for the initiation of the human life, like they stimulate the heart to start functioning, and they are the one who cause death of the person if when the heart stop functioning, when the lungs stop breathing, the person dies. So this is control is all through the brain stem. This brain then continues down at the spinal cord, and spinal cord is lying in the vertebral column. It is like 18 or 19 inches long, and from uh, between the two vertebral bones comes out a nerve which supplies to different part of the body. So this is spinal cord, and this is the ganglion. What is ganglion? If you look at the cross section of the spinal cord, gray matter is in the center, which is like S shaped or butterfly shaped, and white is on the periphery. So there are four horns of the gray matter. These are known as posterior horns, and these are known as the anterior horns. The posterior horns, they give rise uh, dorsal roots of the nerve, and the anterior horn give rise to ventral roots of the nerve. So they come out and they join and they make a ganglion. From the ganglion arise the nerve, and it goes to different parts of the body, and there are receptors to whom they go, and their receptors are present in the skin, muscle, bone, and even to the internal organs.